Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the CRM 3.0 template. We'll start by hiding the top ribbon to have more space. Great. First, let's go into the settings page. This is where you can enter data lists to set up the tool. We can start by selecting our language and our currency. Further down, we can customize the type of lead statuses and sources, as well as contact forms. It also allows us to set color coding rules. For example, here, if it has been under 2 days since the last contact, the light will turn green. However, here, it will turn green if it has been under 4 days. The same applies to the days until next action. Let's go to the Translation submenu. This is where we can customize our 6 base languages: English, French, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, and Deutsch, and set up a 7th language. Moving on to the Product and Services tab. This is where we list all products or services to be offered to customers. Let's add a new one we'll call Software Setup. Great. Moving on to the Salesperson subsection. This is, as the name indicates, where we list all salespeople. We'll add a new one called Brad Pitt. Let's go into the CRM sheet. This is the Leads tab. It's the main data input section where we enter all customers and their details. Let's enter a new one together. We'll call our client Elon Musk. We'll indicate his company, a dummy phone number, a dummy email, a city and state. We'll then select our newly created salesperson, indicate the lead source, and the product. We'll then enter the unitary value and an estimated quantity. The estimated total value auto-calculates based on what's been entered previously. The contacts made, last contact, and days since last contact pull the information from the Contact Log tab that we'll look into shortly. We'll then enter the next contact date, and see that the days until next action, lead status, and contact form autofill. Let's move on to the contact log now. This is where we enter every contact or interaction a salesperson's had with a customer. Let's add a new one. We'll enter the CRM number of our new client. As you can see, the customer name pulls up automatically. We'll then enter the contact date, the contact form, and the lead status. We can also enter notes and comments. Great! We're now ready to look at the results. We're starting with the pipeline. First thing to do is to hit the button Click to Update to ensure the latest data is being shown. Awesome. Here we can see all clients divided by status, and the filters on top allow us to visualize only certain clients based on their salesperson. Moving on to the dashboard. The header indicates the number of leads and the number of leads by status and their value, won, proposal, and lost, as well as the conversion rate and the average contract value. Further down, we have the sales funnel with the number of leads by status, new, qualified, proposal, negotiation, and won. We then have the number of leads won versus lost, and the percentage, and finally, the leads by salesperson and by status. Finally, further down, we have the top 10 companies by value, top 10 lead source by value, and top 10 products by value. On the right-hand side, we have a series of filters that allow us to visualize and report on a specific group of leads. We can filter by month, by year, by salesperson, by lead source, lead status, and contact form. Next, the monthly report. This shows the total value of leads per month and by status, lead source, or contact form. The year filter allows you to toggle and visualize a specific year. Next, the salesperson report. This report allows us to visualize the total customer value per salesperson and per month for a specific year. Moving on to the company's report. This indicates the total value per company and per month for a specific year. Finally, the product and services report. This one indicates the value per product per month for a specific year. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about our CRM 3.0 template, and you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!